How to fix your Redmi Theme Store problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Also make sure your internet is working properly. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to the app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Theme Store. Now click on search. Tap on Theme Store. Now tap on Force Stop. Now scroll down and tap on storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now once you're done with that, go back. Now tap on data usage. Now make sure your Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on. Now once you're done, go back. Now simply restart your device and restart the application. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.